Hello viewers, how are you? Hope all of you are safe. While doing videos on dictionary words, today's words, a spark came in my mind. What is the difference between advice and advise? This is the question raised. While I am a student, I faced problem with these two confusing words. Now I want to clear the difference. So many of my students often confusing in using these two words, advice and advice. They use them interchangeable words, but they are not interchangeable. Many students think that both words are same, but there is a huge difference between advice and advice. If you interestingly watch my video, you will observe one difference. So please watch my video, listen to the video carefully. Let's move to the topic.
Welcome to Sujatha ma'am's classroom. To teach children, to reach children. Joy of learning.
Advice. Advice. Advice is a thing where advice is an action. That means advice is a noun and advice is a verb. Advice. ADVICE, advice. Advice means guidance or recommendation offered with regards to prudent future action. The synonyms of advice are guidance, counseling, help, instruction, information, enlightenment, recommendation, guidelines, suggestions, hints, etc. For example, my advice is to go to school. ADVICE, advise. Advise offer suggestions about the best course of action to someone. Example, I advised you to go to school. I have already told you that advice is a verb. Advise, advised, advising are the verb forms. For example, going to bed late night is not advised. Teacher advised me to work hard. He advised Renuka to take medication. Finally, do you observe any difference between advice and advise? Listen carefully. Advise, 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 advise. Yeah, you are correct. The pronunciation is also different. ADVICE, advice. Here, C is pronounced as S. Advice. ADVICE, advise. Z, 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 advise. The phonetic forms for advice and advise. When come to the plural form, advice is a noun. It doesn't have plural form. Advice is a non-count noun or a mass noun, which means it doesn't have a plural form. Some advice is correct. Some advices is not. We can use it as a piece of advice. I got some advice. These are the correct forms. When come to advise, as advise is a verb, there is no plural form for advise also. it used as advices, it is the present form of advice. For example, he advises me to take rest. Here, advises is the verb form. I think I have cleared your doubts. If you want to watch this type of videos, please hit the like button. It will be a motivation to me. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe immediately and also tap on the bell icon so that my classes will be in your hand. If you want to discuss more about my videos, please join my Telegram group. The link will be provided in the description box. Thank you for watching. This is Sujatha Thudimella signing out.